How to change your Spotify password. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go ahead through the steps on how you can change your Spotify password. Well, to change your Spotify password, you want to first log out of your Spotify account. So head into settings and privacy, tap on log out and proceed to log out. Once you press log out, tap on login back again, and then here what you want to do is you want to continue with email. Now here you can see password option. You can see login without password option. Tap on login without password and simply enter in your email, and it'll send a verification code to your particular account and you can log in again. However, if you wish to change the password, head into your browser and search in for Spotify reset password. So head into Spotify, searching for Spotify reset password, and you can see Spotify password reset page. You want to head into it and enter in your email address or username. Tap on send link. It'll send the link to your particular email address associated with your account to reset the link for your reset the password for your account. So this is how you can change your password on Spotify. You'll have to do it this way. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.